Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're not. So as you can see, I'm back home, back in my room in Washington DC. I just got back home from school yesterday. Today is Sunday the 17th. Hopefully I'm gonna get this video up today. I haven't been asleep at all though since I came home, so I wanted to go to sleep, but at the same time I wanted to do this video. Go to sleep, YouTube video. And I love to sleep. With that being said, today's video I'm going to be doing a hairstyle video. I'm going to be doing a bubble ponytail. I think it's called like a genie ponytail, something like that. I've seen it a lot and I've always wanted to do it ever since I seen it. So today I'm going to be trying it. Before we get into the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Oh, and I also want to say thank you guys for 900 plus subscribers. I'm like this close to 1,000 subscribers, like this close to 1,000 subscribers, and like I really appreciate it, everybody who subscribed. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, the button is on the screen somewhere. Hint hint. So thank you guys for 900 plus subscribers. Yeah, so now let's get into the video. So before I start doing anything, if you guys cannot hear, I sound a little off because my allergies have kicked in. It's my allergy season. I'm highly allergic to pollen, and I've been outside all day. Well, yesterday I was outside all day, so well, I wasn't outside, but I was messing with a lot of dust and moving stuff around. So as you guys can see, my hair is still flat ironed. Well, barely, like it's all dry and stuff now because yeah, it's been flat ironed for like 3 weeks. This is the longest I've ever kept my hair flat ironed, but I was just a little lazy, so I just kept it like this. I just kept it flat ironed, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do first is take this ponytail out. Oh, I hope y'all know this is not a tutorial, okay? I've never done this before. Only thing I've done is a ponytail, so I've never done this genie ponytail. So you're supposed to do with little rubber bands and stuff. And I couldn't find all of my black rubber bands. Like I have a whole container full of like colorful rubber bands and stuff because I used to make them little rubber band bracelets, but you know. So I have a whole container of rubber bands and stuff. I could only find 3 black rubber bands, but I found like 5 red ones. So hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna maybe mix it up a little bit, or I'm gonna just use the red ones. Doesn't really matter. I'm doing a low ponytail because I'm not gonna say I dislike them, but I don't know, I don't think high ponytails look good on me, and especially this ponytail probably won't look good on me. So I'm doing a low ponytail. I'm sticking to what I know, okay? Good enough. So for this video, I'm gonna be using Eco Styler and Edge Booster. Hopefully I'm gonna use Edge Booster because I'm gonna Edge Booster just be a little too hard. Like it's not water based, I don't think. Oh yes, it is. It is water based, but like it's like a very strong coat. So like once you put it on, it's stuck. Like it's stuck there. Like once it's up, it's stuck. Okay, I think this is as good as we're gonna get. I had to do it over because my scrunchie was not tight enough. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is my edges, my long lost edges. I don't even know how I'm gonna start this out. Yeah, my allergies is really bad. Like Y'all should have seen me earlier. I had 2 pieces of tissue up both of my nostrils. My eyes is puffy. I was sneezing all over the place. Why couldn't I just have a normal system? Like, why can't I just have a normal system? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm about to braid my hair right quick. So we got my braid. And now comes like the hard part, which is wrapping the hair around the braid. So I got the ponytail on, you know, pin the ponytail, pin the toe on Brianna. So what I'm about to do now is take my rubber bands. I think I'm going to use the red ones because I have more red than black. Okay, so I finished the look and this is what it looks like. It's giving jasmine. It's giving jasmine. But yeah, so maybe this could be a tutorial. Cause honey, get at me. Alright, it's a little messed up at the top, but mind your business, it's okay. because yeah, for my first attempt, I think this is pretty nice. I just wish that I had enough black ones because it look a little, you know, I don't know, I kind of like the red, but it go from red to black. But I mean, it's giving Harley Quinn, so yeah. And we love that. I gotta do this a little bit more because okay guys, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope it's not too long. I don't think it's going to be too long because I don't feel like it was too long. I don't feel like I was recording this for that long. But yeah, so here's my final look. I'm not a pro, so don't come for me. All right, it could be a tutorial, but it's not. So it was just an attempt, my first attempt. I've never done a bubble ponytail before. I've always wanted to do one since I first seen a couple people do it, so I decided to do it. My hair was already flat iron, so it's gonna match perfectly, so I did it. It's giving Jasmine. It's really giving the genie. So that's really the end of this video. Stay tuned for my next videos to come because I have a lot coming during the summertime because I don't have nothing else to do, stuck in the house. Thank you guys again for 900 plus subscribers. I can't wait to get to 1,000 subscribers. This close, guys, this close. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.